Are you interested in a plant tour? But a trip to Ingolstadt or Neckarsulm is too much of an effort. Do it like David Sommer and book your personal and interactive live stream. You can choose between two options in our event calendar. Live and Talk allows you to see your guide and you're able to speak with the guide. Live and Chat means that you can see and hear the guide. However, the guide can't hear you. You will be able to ask your questions conveniently via chat. Either way, you will be able to see and hear the guide. The guide does not have access to your camera and cannot see you. The guide can only hear you if you choose the respective option.
Hello, Mr. Sommer. Can you see me? Can you hear me?
Yes, hello. I can see and hear you very well.
Great. Let's begin.
After a quick greeting, your tour starts and your adventure through our plant begins.
And I can check out the production plant with you right now? For example, can we have a look at China or Mexico to see, don't know, maybe the A3?
Yes, the Audi A3 is manufactured in Ingolstadt. Let's check out the production process.
Our well-trained guides are happy to respond to your questions and requests.
The bodies are manufactured by our industrial robots.
The guides have detailed knowledge of the Audi plants and a lot to share with you.
I must say, I've never had such a great insight into the world of Audi before. Thank you very much.
Have a nice day. I look forward to your next tour with us.
Experience the Audi production world up close with AudiStream. Interactive, easy, and from anywhere in the world.